there was proteinuria. If we have to choose between liver के around एक liver capsule होता है, it is termination of pregnancy. It is very easy to solve the questions basically. Hello everyone, welcome back to Nosip with Jaspreet. In this video we are going to discuss about another important topic which is eclampsia. हमने पिछली वीडियो में डिस्कस किया है that what is basically pre-eclampsia. Pre-eclampsia मतलब eclampsia होने से पहले कुछ बॉडी साइन एंड सिम्टम्स देती है, जैसे कि इंक्रीज ब्लड प्रेशर एंड व्हाट साइंस ऑफ एंड ऑर्गन डैमेज अलोंग विद द प्रोटीन्यूरिया. अगर हम उसको ही leave it untreated, the female will definitely land up into the eclampsia, which is a very difficult state for the baby as well as the mother. Right? So what happens in eclampsia? It is a combination of pre-eclampsia plus grand mal seizures. Grand mal seizures. What is the other name for grand mal seizures? This seizures, it is called as tonic-clonic seizures. ठीक है. अब pre-eclampsia में क्या हो रहा था? There was increase in blood pressure. There was proteinuria. And what else? There was the signs of end organ damage. ठीक है. What happens? A drug of choice to treat increased BP is definitely labetalol. If we have to choose between labetalol over methyl dopa, we will be choosing it. Right? ये तो इंडिकेटेड होती है, जैसे मिथाइल डोपा, लेबेटालॉल, हाइड्रोलाजीन. ये प्रेफर्ड एंटी हाइपरटेंसिव्स होती हैं ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी, and this is primarily given by the intravenous route. Primarily the most contraindicated antihypertensive antihypertensives, which is ACE inhibitors and diuretics. ये basically contraindicated होते हैं क्योंकि increased blood pressure and you are supposed to give some drug. For the drug of choice, you have labetalol, which is more preferred than methyl dopa. For the treatment of preeclampsia में जो high blood pressure होता है basically. उसके बाद अगर उसके साथ सीजर्स भी कंबाइन कर दें सिम्टम्स के साथ, दैट मीन्स eclampsia में फीमेल लैंड अप कर गई है. देयर आर सम सर्टेन साइंस ऑफ इम्पेंडिंग eclampsia. Signs of impending eclampsia जैसे कि हेडेक, डिजीनेस, विजुअल चेंजेस जैसे कि डिप्लोपिया, ब्लरिंग ऑफ विजन, scotomas, ultimately blindness. That is why it is recommended that all the females who are suffering from preeclampsia should get the fundoscopy or the eye examination done, क्योंकि visual changes आते हैं जब signs of impending eclampsia होता है. The female has headache, dizziness, visual changes in the blindness, scotomas, diplopia and the blurring of vision, and ultimately एक और sign आता है which is epigastric pain. The female will complain of epigastric pain due to the why? Due to stretching of liver capsule. जो लीवर के अराउंड एक लिवर कैप्सूल होता है वो स्ट्रेच करता है, जिसकी वजह से फीमेल विल कंप्लेन ऑफ व्हाट? एपिगेस्ट्रिक पेन. तो ये सब क्या होते हैं? साइंस ऑफ इम्पेंडिंग eclampsia होते हैं. दैट फीमेल विल हैव हेडेक, डिजीनेस, visual changes and the epigastric pain, that you need to know that the eclampsia is inevitable now. What is the treatment of choice in pregnancy induced hypertension? What is the treatment of choice in PIH? If this question comes, then the answer will be it is termination of pregnancy. It is termination of pregnancy. Drug of choice for PIH It is labetalol. Drug of choice for eclampsia. It is MgSO4. MgSO4 is magnesium sulfate. And the antidote to MgSO4 is calcium gluconate. Now the next video, there will be a separate video ultimately on MgSO4 कि MgSO4 किस रूट से देते हैं, किस रिजीम के थ्रू देते हैं, what are the signs of magnesium toxicity, क्योंकि इससे separate MCQs आते हैं, so we will be discussing it in a separate video. This was all about eclampsia. Once you understand what is hypertension in pregnancy, then preeclampsia, then eclampsia, it is very easy to solve the questions basically, right? So we need to be very clear about what basically eclampsia is and what is preeclampsia. Preeclampsia इसके name से ही suggest होता है that it is going to occur before the eclampsia. So eclampsia can be very much prevented. But in the next video, we are going to discuss about the regime for the MgSO4. I hope this video was informational for you. Do subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.